Have you been jumping from strategy to strategy? Then this might be the issue. Your current strategy has no defined trading time. The analysis of the charts leaves you more confused, and you lack clear entry and exit criteria, which gives you that unsettling feeling in your stomach every time you get into a trade because you are unsure of your analysis. Now, if you are looking for a mechanical strategy that has a step-by-step process from the moment you open your screen to the moment you exit your position as a winner or a loser, then this strategy is for you. In this video, I will show you how to identify high quality setups step by step at very specific times of the day using a specific entry and exit protocol. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's do this. The first thing is to understand where the market is headed in advance. And we use a system called the failed breakout system. If we know where tomorrow is headed, we can prepare ourselves early to identify good entry points as price is heading in the predicted direction. So first things first. So on Monday, we are not looking to trade. We just draw the highest point and the lowest point price has reached. On Tuesday, we are also not interested in trading. We are interested in knowing where the day on Wednesday is headed so that we can trade on Wednesday. So on Tuesday, we want to see price breaking out and then the closing price is inside of the high and the low of the day. So the most important things that we look for here is number one, a breakout, and number two, the closing price. Breakout, closing price. This is a reversal signal for the next day. So the next day we will be looking for an opportunity to sell. So a failed breakout, which is abbreviated as FBO, at high of week equals sell, and FBO at low of week equals buy. And this is buy the next day. So remember, we are interested in finding those very high quality setups that are no stress and they have a very high probability of going in our direction. So let's look at a couple of real life examples. So this is US 100 and we can see this is where Monday begins. So Monday is from that level to that level. All right, so the first step we do is just draw the high and the low of the day. Simple, on Monday. Now remember, we are not interested in trading on Monday. We are looking at what price is doing. Now on Tuesday, we are also interested in looking at the breakout. So did Tuesday break out of the high of the week? Yes, it did. And then where is the closing price? Where did Tuesday's daily candle close? So it closed back here, closed back inside. So when we talk about inside, we mean inside of the high and the low of the week set on Monday. So once we see we have a breakout, price closes back inside of the range, we can adjust our high to the new high of the week. And we already know what happens on Wednesday. Now on Wednesday, we are looking for an opportunity to sell. And I will explain to you how we look for those opportunities. For now, we are interested in predicting the next day. Now, the next day, we are looking for an opportunity to sell. And we do get a small sell, but this is not a very beautiful sell setup. However, again, on Wednesday, price breaks out of the high of the week and then closes back inside of the range, which is a failed breakout at the high of the week. And this is a sell signal. So we are looking for an opportunity to sell the next day. And what happens the next day? The next day, price moves up fast and then boom, we have our massive sell-off. So our backbone is being able to predict these big moves and then position ourselves as these moves are happening. So now let's talk about how do we now catch this specific move, because we already know we are going to sell. But when you come to the screen, you see we first see an uptrend. And now this is where understanding price movement is very important, because price only moves in three ways. Price will move up in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. Then price will create a downtrend, creating lower lows. And then price will stay within a trading range, moving sideways. And so this is the only way price moves. So first things first, if we want to sell, the first thing we want to see is an uptrend. So when I come to the screen, I already see an uptrend. I know there is a very high probability we will have a setup. But we also have a step-by-step process. Time means that we come to the specific session at very specific times to look for our setup. So for Asia, our timing window is between 9 and 11 p.m. New York time. And then for London session, price is between 3 and 5 a.m. New York time. And then for New York, price is between 9 and 11 a.m. New York time. So these are the specific times that we come into the market. All right. So now if we look at our setup here, we come to the screen at exactly 9. So it's 8:45, the last candle, and then the 9 candle opens. All right. So now this is the New York session. The next step after time is drawing your high and low of the day. And so from where the price closed, and if you go to trading view and settings, then go to events, then check that session breaks, it will give you the closing price. And once you see the closing price, you can accurately draw the high and the low of the day. So we have our high and then we have our low of the day down here. That is the second step after time. Now, after time, we identify levels, and then this is very important. When price is going up, it will create lows. Now, a low is just one down move, one retracement. So one retracement, but if price retraces back to that low again and then continues higher, then we don't call that a low, we call that a level. And so the next step after drawing the high and the low of the day is identifying your valid levels. And if we look at our setup here, we see we have this nice uptrend, but this is one low, this is one low. But if we look at this one here, this one, we have 2 bounces there. So if it's 2 bounces, that counts as a level. And then price goes higher. This one here is also a level. And then up here again, we have this low, price comes back to that low again, gives us another level there. Simple. Now, once you have your high, you have your low, you have your levels, the next step is you wait for price to break those levels. Remember, we are looking to sell. We already know on this particular day, it's a sell day. So where exactly are we getting in to sell? We want to see price breaking below these levels. So a candle that closes below that level, we are doing all this on the 15-minute time frame. Once we do that, once we see that candle, we get in, we let the market do its thing. So what happens? So price plays around and then boom, we have that breakout. So as price is breaking out, you get in your stop loss above that candle, and then you can target the low of the day, and yeah, basically, and then you just let the market do its thing. Simple. So basically, this is a step-by-step process of identifying high quality setups. And to summarize everything, we use the weekly cycle failed breakout to know where the market is headed. And then on the trading day, we come to the screen in the right time. Then we identify high of day and low of day. And then finally, we identify our levels. And then our entry is a breakout of those levels. And then, yeah, stop loss is above the breakout candle, and then take profit is the law of the day. Basically, that is the step-by-step process that I personally follow to catch high quality setup. If you want to learn more, join us on Telegram, where we do daily live streams and we have a free masterclass and all the resources that you will need to level up your trading. If you got value from today's video, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.